Train your English voice using phrasal verbs with away and back. Away means to be in or go to a different place. For example, go away, walk or drive away, look or take away, etc. Back means to return to an earlier or normal position. For example, come or be back, get back, take something back, give back, etc. Let's look at some example sentences. The wind was so strong it blew away my hat. After the walk, they came back home. More phrasal verbs with away. Get away means escape. Get away with means to keep something you have done wrong secret. Keep away from. Don't go near. Our example sentences: the factory got away with toxic emissions. You should keep away from the area though. More phrasal verbs with away. Give something away means to give to somebody because you don't want it anymore or as a gift. Put something away, to put something in a place. Throw something away, put in the rubbish. Our example sentences: the fast food restaurant gives away free plastic cutlery. Disposable spoons are thrown away after use. Phrasal verbs with back. Wave, smile, write or call back. To respond in the same way. Get back to somebody. To reply to someone at a later time. Look back on something. To think about the past. Pay somebody back. To return money borrowed. Our example sentence: looking back, we have caused a lot of pollution.